What is up, everybody? Tyler here with Random Automotive, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on a Ford Maverick. There's essentially just one generation of Ford Maverick. They did the refresh, so no matter what year model you have, it's going to be the same process. So you'll open the glove box, and the first thing we're going to do is there's a little arm down here. We're going to get a little bit better clearance to it. So there's a push tab here. If you push that in, there's another push tab right here. Push the glove box up, and then it'll release just a little bit better. Alright, so for this little arm down here, what you'll do is take a little pair of pliers and just apply a little bit of pressure to it. And that was a little dramatic. Maybe not that much, but the glove box will essentially just drop off. Okay, and then you'll see your cabin air filter slot here. So what you'll have to do is there's a push tab on this side and one on this side. You'll have to push them out at the same time. That one got broke, so don't do that. Just be gentle with them, and this whole door will fold down. And then you'll notice that you'll see airflow down. So what we'll do is to remove this filter, you just essentially pull it out symmetrically. So for video's sake, I'm not actually replacing the filter. This is the same one, but essentially symmetrically push it in. Make sure the airflow is down all the way in. Close and latch your door there. So we'll grab our glove box and put all three hinges back in place. Make sure that they all seat properly, like so. Grab your armature here, and it'll just snap back in place. And then you can just push it closed. And that's it, guys. If this video helped you at all, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section. Until next time, we'll catch you in the next one.